Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will discuss about HTTP verbs or methods. Remember, in our previous video, we discussed each HTTP request must have HTTP verbs or methods. Now, let's learn what are the methods are available in HTTP verbs. First one is get method. The get method is used to retrieve data. For example, you want to search something like you want to get the list of employees or list of products, or you want to retrieve a book by ID, etc. So whenever you are expecting some data from the server, you need to use this get method. The main purpose of this get method is to fetch or retrieve data from the server. If you want to implement some kind of search functionality, then the web API may expect some data to filter out the results. In this case, clients needs to send the data. For example, if you want particular product or employee or book by ID, we need to send that ID as a data. Second method is post. The post method is used to make a new entry in the database. If you want to add new employee or you want to add a new product, you need to use this post method. Third, we have put method. The put method is used to update all the properties of the current resource in the database. For example, if you want to update all the properties of a particular employee, then you need to use this put method. We can update existing record only. We cannot add new resource using this put method. Fourth, patch. The patch method is similar to put method, but it is used to update partial properties of current resource in the database. For example, I have 4 columns in employee table. Now I want to update employee name column only. In this situation, I can use the patch method. Finally, we have delete method. The delete method is used to delete the resource from the database. That means we are removing or deleting an existing resource from the database. In delete, we have two concepts. They are soft delete and hard delete. In soft delete, for example, in your table, if you have one column name like is active or is deleted or something similar to this, now you just want to update that column only. Okay, in this case we cannot use the delete method. We need to use patch method because we are not deleting the record from the database. We just update the record. This is known as soft delete. In dot or delete, what we will do, if we want to remove or delete existing data from the table, then we need to use this delete method. For example, to delete an existing one employee from the employee table in the database, in that scenario, we can use this delete method. These are the methods we are using mostly in our application. I hope you understand this video. Thank you so much for watching this video.